Welcome to Kids Spark Learns, learning for kids of all ages. Let's learn wild animals together. This is a Bengal tiger.
Yay!
The Bengal tiger is one of the biggest wild cats in the world. It has bright orange fur with black stripes that help it hide in forests and grasslands. Tigers are strong hunters and can swim very well. They live mostly in India and Bangladesh. This is a black panther.
Yay!
Black panther is actually a leopard or jaguar with shiny black fur. Its dark coat makes it hard to see at night, which helps it sneak up on prey. Black panthers are powerful, quiet hunters and excellent climbers. This is an African lion.
Yay!
Lions are known as the king of the jungle, but they actually live in open grasslands. Male lions have big manes around their necks, while females do not. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 members. This is a wolf.
Yay!
A wolf is a wild dog that lives in groups called packs. Each pack has a leader, and they work together to hunt for food. Wolves can run fast and travel long distances to find prey like deer and rabbits. This is a mountain lion.
Yay!
The mountain lion is also called a cougar, puma, or panther. It lives in mountains, forests, and deserts across the Americas. Mountain lions are very quiet hunters and can jump as far as 40 feet in one leap. This is a hyena.
Yay!
A hyena is a funny-looking animal with spotted or striped fur and very strong jaws. It is famous for its loud laughing sounds, which it uses to talk to others. Hyenas live in large groups called clans. This is a leopard.
Yay!
A leopard is a big cat with golden fur and black spots. Leopards are excellent climbers and can even carry their food up into trees. They are very fast runners and strong hunters. Leopards live in Africa and parts of Asia. This is a jackal.
Yay!
A jackal is a wild dog that is smaller than a wolf but bigger than a fox. It lives in Africa and Asia and usually hunts in pairs or small groups. Jackals are very clever and eat many things like fruits, small animals. This is a grizzly bear.
Yay!
A grizzly bear is a very large and powerful animal. It has thick brown fur and a big hump on its back. Grizzlies love to eat fish, berries, plants, and even honey. They can stand up on two legs when they are curious. This is a rhinoceros.
Yay!
A rhinoceros, or rhino, is a huge animal with thick skin and one or two horns on its nose. Rhinos like to stay near water and mud to keep cool. They eat grass and plants and can be very strong. Even though they look tough, this is an African elephant.
Yay!
The African elephant is the biggest land animal in the world. It has a long trunk, big ears, and huge tusks. Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and spray water. They live in herds, usually led by an older female. This is a baboon.
Yay!
A baboon is a monkey with a long face that looks a little like a dog. Baboons live in large groups called troops, sometimes with hundreds of monkeys. They are very smart and can use sounds and movements to talk to each other. This is a hippopotamus.
Yay!
A hippopotamus, or hippo, spends most of its time in water. Hippos have big mouths with sharp teeth and can open them very wide. They look calm but can run very fast on land. Hippos eat mostly grass. This is a camel.
Yay!
A camel is known as the ship of the desert. It can survive for many days without water. Camels have humps on their backs that store fat for energy. They are used by people to carry loads and travel across deserts. This is a cheetah.
Yay!
A cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. It can run faster than a car, but only for short distances. Cheetahs have slender bodies and black tear marks on their faces. They hunt animals like gazelles in open grasslands. This is a tortoise.
Yay!
A tortoise is a reptile with a hard shell that protects its body. Tortoises live on land and move very slowly. They can live for many, many years, sometimes over 100. Tortoises eat plants, fruits, and vegetables. This is a honey badger.
Yay!
A honey badger is a small animal but very brave. It is not afraid to fight animals much bigger than itself. Honey badgers love to eat honey, insects, and even snakes. They have thick skin that protects them from bites and stings. This is a zebra.
Yay!
A zebra is an animal with black and white stripes all over its body. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Zebras live in herds in Africa and eat grass. Their stripes help confuse predators like lions. This is a giraffe.
Yay!
A giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It has a very long neck that helps it eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffes have spots all over their bodies, and each giraffe's pattern is unique. This is a polar bear.
Yay!
A polar bear is the largest bear in the world. It lives in the cold Arctic where there is snow and ice. Polar bears have thick white fur and a layer of fat to keep them warm. They are strong swimmers and hunt seals in the icy water. This is a kangaroo.
Yay!
A kangaroo is a tall animal that lives in Australia. It has strong back legs and can jump very far. Kangaroos use their tails to keep balance while hopping. Female kangaroos carry their babies, called joeys, in a pouch on their stomachs. This is an ibex.
Yay!
An ibex is a wild goat that lives high in the mountains. It has long, curved horns that make it easy to recognize. Ibex are amazing climbers and can walk on steep rocks without slipping. This is a penguin.
Yay!
A penguin is a bird that cannot fly. Penguins live in cold places like Antarctica, but some also live where it is warmer. They have black and white feathers that look like a suit. Penguins are amazing swimmers and can catch fish in the ocean. This is an orangutan.
Yay!
An orangutan is a large ape that lives in the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia. Its name means man of the forest. Orangutans have long arms and reddish-brown hair. This is a panda.
Yay!
A panda is a gentle bear with black and white fur. Pandas mostly eat bamboo, and they spend many hours each day chewing it. They live in the mountains of China. Pandas are calm animals and like to be alone. This is a moose.
Yay!
A moose is the largest member of the deer family. It has long legs, a big nose, and wide antlers on its head. Moose live in forests and cold places like Canada and Alaska. This is a raccoon.
Yay!
A raccoon is a small animal with a mask-like pattern on its face. Raccoons are very curious and love to explore. They use their paws like little hands to open things and find food. Raccoons are mostly active at night and eat many things like fruits, insects, and leftovers. This is a bison.
Yay!
A bison is a very large animal with shaggy brown fur and strong horns. Long ago, millions of bison roamed the grasslands of North America. They live in herds and can run very fast even though they are heavy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Keep smiling, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.